In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Trello cards from CSV file. By the end, you'll have the tool you need enabled on your board so you can bring cards in from a CSV without manual copy-paste. Start by opening Trello and heading to your board's view. This is the dashboard that shows every board you have access to. Make sure you're logged into the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple teams and decide which board should receive the imported cards. It's usually best to import into a dedicated board or list so you can review everything before moving items around. Open that board, then locate the Power-Ups option. Depending on your layout, you'll see power-ups in the board header or inside the board menu. If you don't see it immediately, open the menu on the right and look for power-ups there. This section is Trello's app directory, where you extend your board with extra capabilities. Click Add Power-Ups to open the directory. A panel or new view will appear with a search bar at the top. In the search bar, type Import to Trello CSV Free. This is the power-up that enables CSV importing without additional cost, and it's specifically designed to translate spreadsheet rows into Trello cards. When the Import to Trello CSV Free result appears, select it and click Add. Trello may show a brief description and permissions. Review what it needs to access on your board so you know exactly what's being enabled. If prompted, confirm by clicking. Add again to finish enabling the power-up on your board. Some workspaces require admin approval. If you get a message about permissions, reach out to a workspace admin to grant access. Once added, the power-up will be listed on your board and you'll see its controls available from the Power-Ups menu. That means your board is now ready to accept CSV imports using this tool. If you don't see it right away, try refreshing the page and checking the Power-Ups list again. A few quick tips before you import. Prepare your CSV with clear column headers like name, description, due date, and labels. Save it as a .csv file rather than a spreadsheet format. And if you're importing into specific lists, have those lists created on the board beforehand so mapping is straightforward. Keeping your data clean will minimize errors and reduce the need for post-import edits. That's it. You've enabled the Import to Trello CSV Free Power-Up, and your board is set up for CSV imports. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and rewind as you follow along on your own screen.